Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Sun-kissed Serenity, modern Mediterranean living room. Step inside this light-filled haven and discover a living room that evokes the warmth and charm of the Mediterranean. The crisp white walls, reflecting the glow from the pool outside, create a feeling of spaciousness in this single-story home. Here are some key features: open floor plan, large windows and sliding glass doors blur the lines between indoors and outdoors. Imagine the cool sea breeze gently carrying the scent of jasmine as you relax inside. Earthy accents, natural textures and warm tones bring the Mediterranean spirit indoors. Think exposed beam ceilings or a statement wall clad in reclaimed wood. Terracotta tiles in a rich, earthy hue add warmth underfoot. Furniture with flair. Opt for comfortable, low-profile furniture in natural materials like wicker or woven rattan. A woven rug in a muted blue or terracotta pattern adds a touch of coastal charm. Pops of vibrant color come from throw pillows adorned with traditional Mediterranean motifs like olive branches or citrus fruits. Light airy touches, white slip-covered sofas and linen curtains enhance the feeling of airiness. Sheer fabric on the windows allows filtered sunlight to bathe the room in a warm glow. Coastal inspiration, decorate with a touch of the sea. Scatter seashells collected from the beach on a coffee table. Hang a piece of driftwood art or a framed seascape photograph on the wall. Focal point fireplace. A fireplace with a stone surround adds a touch of rustic charm and provides a cozy gathering spot on cooler evenings. Indoor-outdoor living. The highlight of this space is the seamless connection to the poolside terrace. Strategically placed furniture allows for easy flow between the living room and the pool area, perfect for entertaining or simply relaxing with a refreshing beverage. This modern Mediterranean living room creates a light, airy, and inviting space that perfectly complements the clean lines of the white exterior and the refreshing pool just steps away. It's a place to unwind, connect with nature, and soak up the laid-back charm of the Mediterranean lifestyle. There are several compelling reasons to design the living room of your small, modern, one-story White House in a Mediterranean style, especially with a swimming pool right outside. Maximizes light and creates a spacious feel. The white walls and open floor plan characteristic of Mediterranean style will reflect natural light, making your small living room feel larger and airier. Large windows and sliding glass doors further enhance this by blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. Brings the outdoors in. The Mediterranean style emphasizes a connection to nature. Large windows and open doors allow the cool breeze and the sound of the pool to flow into the living room, creating a refreshing and inviting atmosphere, perfect for indoor-outdoor living. With the pool just steps away, the living room becomes a natural extension of your outdoor entertaining space. Guests can easily flow between the two areas, making it ideal for socializing and maximizing the use of your pool. Warm and inviting ambience. The Mediterranean style incorporates natural textures like exposed beams, terracotta tiles, and wicker furniture. This creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxing after a swim or enjoying a cozy evening. Complements the modern exterior. The clean lines of the white exterior are beautifully complemented by the simplicity of the Mediterranean style. Together, they create a cohesive and modern look for your home. Low maintenance and functional. Mediterranean style often features furniture made from durable materials like wicker and rattan. This is ideal for a living room with easy access to the pool, as it's easy to clean and maintain. Evokes a relaxing atmosphere. The Mediterranean style embodies a laid-back and relaxed vibe. This is perfect for creating a space where you can unwind and enjoy the tranquility of your poolside oasis. Overall, a Mediterranean-inspired living room perfectly complements the modern design of your house and the inviting presence of the pool. It creates a light-filled, functional, and stylish space that encourages indoor-outdoor living and fosters a sense of relaxation and serenity. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your modern Mediterranean living room. 1. Measure and sketch. Take accurate measurements of your living room to create a scaled floor plan. Sketch different furniture layouts, considering the traffic flow between the living room, pool access points, and any other adjoining areas. 2. Maximize natural light. Consider the position of the windows and the pool in relation to the living room. Opt for sheer or light filtering curtains for the windows to maintain the flow of natural light. You might also consider adding skylights strategically if your roof allows. 3. Embrace the open floor plan. Choose furniture that doesn't block the flow between the living room and the pool area. Lower profile furniture allows for better sight lines and a more spacious feel. 4. Introduce natural materials. Incorporate elements like exposed beam ceilings, a stone fireplace surround, or a statement wall clad in reclaimed wood. Opt for furniture made from natural materials like wicker, woven rattan, or light-colored wood. 5. Create a warm base. Terracotta tiles in a rich, earthy hue will add warmth to the floor. You can consider area rugs in muted blue or terracotta patterns for a touch of coastal charm. 6. Light and airy touches. Choose light-colored furniture upholstery like white slipcovers and linen curtains. Use strategically placed mirrors to reflect light and further enhance the feeling of spaciousness. 7. Mediterranean flair. Decorate with pops of vibrant color inspired by the Mediterranean. Throw pillows with olive branch or citrus fruit motifs are a great way to add a touch of personality. Scatter seashells on a coffee table or hang a piece of driftwood art to bring the coastal theme indoors. 8. Seamless indoor-outdoor connection. Invest in comfortable outdoor furniture for the poolside terrace to create a natural extension of the living room. Sliding glass doors will maximize the connection between the two areas and allow for easy flow. 9. Lighting for ambience. Use a combination of lighting options to create different moods. Consider recessed lighting for general illumination and accent lighting to highlight specific areas. Strategically placed floor lamps or sconces can add a warm and inviting touch in the evenings. 10. Personalize your space. Don't forget to incorporate elements that reflect your personal style and interests. Display family photos, artwork you love, or travel souvenirs to create a space that feels truly your own. By following these steps and keeping your budget and preferences in mind, you can design a beautiful and functional Mediterranean-inspired living room that takes full advantage of your small, modern, white house and the refreshing poolside oasis right outside. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.